What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Awa, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Awa. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a good burger, just from the movie, baby, with Ed's secret sauce. So, gotta get started to get it done, so come on, dude, let's have some fun. You know what I'm talking about? I'm a dude. He's a dude. She's a dude. We're all dudes. Oh! That's right, baby. The good burger. And you're saying to yourself, like, oh, looks like you already got your burger good. What's the matter? Couldn't wait on us? Nope. You know me. No time for that shit. So, I went ahead and made mine, but you ain't got yours, so let's just show you how to make it. Now, if you've never seen the movie Good Burger, what rock you been living under, man? Good Burger was, and is, one of me and my brother's favorite movies, man. We grew up on that. Kenan and Kel, you know, they kind of reminded me of me and my brother, and still do. And Good Burger was a blockbuster hit for us, you know. Part of my childhood, boy. And the crazy thing about some of those movies you watch when you were a kid or even now, there's a certain food they got in the movie and you go, man, that looks damn good. I gotta try it out. So I've been waiting all my life to have a Good Burger. And I'm gonna have one tonight. But let's go ahead and show you how to make it, buddy. Isn't that right? So, first thing that you gotta do. Good burger, need that burger, that meat. And today, I just got some old ground beef rolls. Now, you can get the pre-made patties, you can get like a steak Angus burger. That's you, but you know me, I got time for that shit. So, went ahead and got the ground beef today. And went ahead and patted it out. You gotta roll it up in a ball, and then pat it out. You gotta beat your meat a little bit. So, once you get that done, I want you to get that skillet hot to trot, boy. I want you to be in there like Abe Vigoda making the fries. And we're going to get that skillet hot and put your burgers down in it. Now, with the seasonings, I didn't go too crazy. Just a little salt. Would have put some black pepper on there, but didn't have any. Didn't do it. So, just some salt and let those burgers cook. Now, you're going to let them sit there for a while and flip them over. Man, when they're done, go ahead and take them out. Pretty simple, huh, buddy? Yeah, so go ahead and take your burgers out, and then you can go ahead and start working on Ed's secret sauce, because that's the thing about that movie. If you watch that movie, his secret sauce is what really sets it off. And of course, since it's Nickelodeon, gotta have it orange, baby, like that Nickelodeon blend. You know, I'm a child of Nickelodeon, grew up on Nickelodeon. Had the best shows back in my day. Pete and Pete, the Rugrats, Rocko's Modern Life, and of course, Kenan and Kel and all that. So, the Good Burger comes from that. Now, Ed's secret sauce. The thing about it is, they kept it pretty secret, because in the movie, they really don't tell you how to make it. There is that one scene where they show Ed making the sauce, and he's put stuff in there that I would probably never put in there. I think he's putting like dried milk and a whole onion and shit. Don't do that. Basically, like I said, you can't really go by taste, because there is no such thing as Ed's special sauce. But you can go by color, baby. So, color me hungry. Go ahead and get you a little mayonnaise. And that, mixed in with this ketchup, is going to give us that orange color. So, put some mayonnaise down in that thing, baby. Then, I want you to go and get you some ketchup, Sinbad, and put that ketchup in there as well. Now, go ahead and take a little pickle juice. And that's just kind of give it a little wang dang to it, some good stuff. It's going to have you dancing, boy, like you dancing around in the strawberry milkshake machine. So, now we are going to go ahead and cut up a few vegetables. And that's the thing, I kind of watched the beginning of that movie again, just to see what kind of vegetables they really had on there, and what the, you know, how a good burger is made. And basically, you know, I looked at it, it's got white onion, tomato, little pickle. I did see some cheese, but I'm not going to use cheese today. You're saying, why not? I ain't got it, and I ain't going to go to the store because I ain't got time for that shit. So, you can take your ass to the store in that Good Burger mobile, that hamburger that we're driving around. So, cut up your vegetables, get you a bun, and let's have some fun, baby. So, go ahead and split that thing open, and put you down some lettuce on the bottom. And you're saying to yourself, like, oh, why are we starting with vegetables? Well, watch the movie. It always looks that way, baby. Then, I want you to go ahead and take you some onions. and put on the bottom there. Ew, that stinky breath. It's going to be good enough for you because it was good enough for Shaq. So, then we'll go ahead and put our tomatoes on there. And you're saying to yourself, like, oh, I don't like tomatoes. Well, don't put them on there then. Stop bitching at me. But I like them, and that's what was on there. So, they're on there. Now, go ahead and put your burger on, and you're saying to yourself, like, oh, my burger looks kind of funny. I made it myself. It's not a great shape, and it's not big. Well, don't worry about it, man. This ain't Mondo Burger. You're not over there with the old boy that looks like the brother from the guy from The Offspring. You're just making it your own way. And, who among us is perfect? Not me. So, put your burger on there. Then we're going to put some pickles on there. Sweet, sweet, sweet sauce. And last but not least, wouldn't be a good burger without Ed's secret sauce. So, you can go ahead and put that on top of there. And then put your bun on top of there, and boy, you're going to be dancing around like you was dancing to George Clinton's Freak of the Week. That's another crazy thing about that movie. They got 2 different George Clinton songs in there. They got the Not Just Knee Deep, the Freak of the Week, yeah. And then at the very beginning when he's riding his roller skates, they're playing, do fries go with that shake? Dump, 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 do fries go with that shake? And they do. So, let's go ahead and shake our butts and have a big old sight and a big old bite of this beautiful, good burger tonight, Ooh, 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 ooh. Alright, baby, the time has come. The good burger is done. And I'm having that first bite for myself. Kind of feel like I should be having an orange soda, but this mango's gonna have to do. And it tastes pretty close to orange soda anyway. It's kind of like a creamsicle deal. It's good. Wow. So, welcome to Good Burger, home of the Good Burger. Can I take your order? Yeah. Let's pick up that big, bad, beautiful burger. The Good Burger, baby. Right on the money, baby. That's good. And I'm really glad that we made the patty ourselves because something about it, man. Something good. You're kind of like old Spatch that worked back there too. That movie got so many crazy characters. It's good. You're gonna get done watching this and you're gonna go watch that. Trust me, I know you will. So I might do it myself. I want to thank all of y'all for joining me on another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, y'all have a good one. Enjoy that good burger. And I'll see you next time, boy. Ooh, yeah. Keenan and Kel, this one's for you, baby. Thank you.